Hello everyone. Let me start with a simple but meaningful question. What do you do when a lesson that worked perfectly for one class completely fails in another? Or when a student who was once performing well suddenly starts to struggle without explanation? Do you continue teaching the same way or do you pause, reflect and try to understand what's really going on? Let me share a small incident from one of my economics class. I had planned an interactive session on supply and demand completed with visuals and group activities. It worked brilliantly in one section, but in another, students seemed disengaged. Participation was low and responses were weak. I was puzzled. Instead of assuming that the students were uninterested, I took a step back. I analyzed the situation. The second group had just returned from a tiring physical education session. Their energy levels were low. The topic also demanded prior understanding of basic economic terms, which it turned out some of them lacked. So I adjusted. I simplified the introduction, related it to real life situations like movie ticket pricing and seasonal discounts, and gave them a brief warm up discussion. The transformation was immediate. This is the essence of analytical and problem solving skills in teaching. It's about observing, interpreting, and acting with logic, flexibility, and care. Why is this attribute so important? A classroom is not a fixed environment, it's dynamic, filled with students from different backgrounds, abilities, moods, and motivations. As teachers, we are constantly faced with challenges like why isn't a student progressing? Why did this lesson fall flat? How can I explain this concept in a way that makes sense to everyone? Teachers who can analyze situations critically and solve problems efficiently don't just deliver lessons, they adapt, innovate, and lead. When teachers analyze learning difficulties, students receive the support they actually need, not just a generic fix. When students see a teacher who calmly navigates challenges, they learn to do the same, building resilience and critical thinking skills. In conclusion, analytical and problem solving skills are not just technical abilities, they are expressions of a teacher's commitment to understand each student, each moment, and each challenge with depth and purpose. Great teachers don't just deliver content, they craft learning experiences that respond to real needs, real differences, and real possibilities. Thank you.